Our research here at the University of Reading is looking to try and understand the changes in the brain that occur some 20 years before diagnosis of dementia. To do this, we're looking at brain glue. This is the other cells within the brain that are typically not lost and don't contribute to the symptoms of the disease. How do we look at these cells? Well, we can use cameras and microscopes to delve into these cells and look how their function changes over time. We believe that these are, in essence, the first responders, and we can look to see the physical changes that occur in these cells that could potentially lead to new treatments or indeed new diagnostic tests to actually allow us to intervene much earlier in people's dementia journey. I'm going to be telling everyone today about this in our public lecture, so feel free to join us on the University of Reading Facebook page live stream. I look forward to seeing you then.